Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about how to fix iOS 15. After updating to iOS 15, you're having a trouble of no signal on your iPhone and you're unable to make any call and you're having an issue, and how you can fix this up. So this is what we're gonna talk about. So the first thing what you have to do is, when you're having these kind of trouble, you have to do two to three simple steps. And the first one, you just have to go over here on the notification and just have to tap on flight mode, and you have to do the same, and just have to go up to the home screen. You have to press volume up followed by the volume down button. Press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo in the home screen. This is called force restart. You have to try force restart after enabling flight mode. Once it is done, once it is been on, you just have to turn this off. And most probably after turning this off, you just have to see whether the issue is solved or not. Right now, as you can see in this device, for the video purpose I haven't installed any kind of SIM, but most probably after trying this, the issue has to be fixed. Even after trying this, if it's not been, then it should be an issue with the SIM carriers. So you just have to eject the SIM and you have to reinsert it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. This might be help in some cases, and I'm not pretty sure about it, but I'm very much sure about the first and the last, which I'm going to share right now. So the last one is all about, you have to go over here on the settings, and from here you just have to, over here in the settings, you just have to tap on general. From here you just have to scroll down, navigate to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and go for reset network settings. Once you're done with reset network settings, most probably the issue has to be fixed. The iOS no service on your iPhone should be fixed, and you can try these for all the models as well as for the iPads, and if you are using it for any kind of purpose. And these are the things what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.